Some nights I wanna get up here, sing a bunch of nonsense. But I know that my voice ain't good enough for bad lyrics. Not yet. This is the first song, moment of truth. If this one fails, what good will the rest of them do? I'm trying to stay focused and stay in the moment, but all I can think about is if my flyer is open. I swore I checked it before I went on. Maybe that was last night though. I just can't recall. I would ask you to check for me, but that's asking a lot, so I'm just gonna check real quick. Yeah. You're doing it wrong, dissecting the bird, trying to find the song. It's a miracle that you're here at all. Oh, oh, yeah. I don't trust a musician who's always complaining it's hard up here, but so is everything else. You know what my job was? Before I did this, I used to walk around parking lots picking up trash. Do you know how many people paid to watch me do that? 0. Always 0. My draw was 0 for the trash pickup job. So even if no one comes to this one, they still let me play guitar. I don't trust a musician who's always complaining. Sometimes it's clear, sometimes it's raining, sometimes it's the gorge, sometimes it's a garage. Get over yourself and do your goddamn job. You're doing it wrong, dissecting the bird, trying to find the song. It's a miracle that you're here. Candle flickers, when the days get dark, they call them first world problems. They still break your heart, and the universe feels like it's against you. Just take a minute to realize all that it took to make you. Your parents had to meet, as random as that was, and hang out long enough at least to make some love and make a baby and give it your name. And all your ancestors had to do the same, exponentially backwards to the start of life. So much random stuff had to happen just exactly right. Sparks had to catch, oceans had to freeze, billions of cells had to survive. Endless disease, civilizations had to crumble, wars had to get fought, bad presidents had to get elected, good presidents had to get shot, people had to leave, hearts had to get broken, people had to die, just so your eyes could open. The universe is not against you. The universe is not against you. It went through a lot just to give you a chance. It must have wanted you here. Pretty bad, no pressure though. No pressure though. The universe went through a lot, but no pressure, bro. You don't gotta be perfect, you don't gotta be a saint, but don't waste it. This was not a mistake. Oh yeah, you're doing it wrong, dissecting the bird, trying to find the song. It's a miracle that you're here at all.